ChatGTP roast errors. Now the 2000s, the most chaotic era nobody wanted to take responsibility for. 2000 kids grew up with hope and then watched it slowly get taken away in HD. Roasted. You had dial-up and Wi-Fi. You are the generation that knows patience and still gets mad when a video buffers for 2 seconds. You say the 2000s were elite, but half your photos look like accidental witnesses. Low-rise jeans, frosted tips, random belts for no reason. That wasn't fashion. It was a cry for help. Roasted. You were raised by MTV, but traumatized by reality TV. And you learned life advice from people who are now in rehab podcasts. Burn. You had a MySpace song that defined your personality, and you still judge people silently based on their music taste. You didn't overshare online. You invented oversharing. Public Facebook statuses, relationship drama in captions, song lyrics as emotional threats. You walk so Instagram stories could run. I'm Steve Over, and this is ChatGTP roast errors. Quick disclaimer before comments start getting. This is comedy. This is AI. If you feel exposed, that's because the 2000s had no privacy. Roasted. One good truth so nobody gets too touchy. The 2000 eras taught people adaptability. You survived analog childhood and digital adulthood. You're awkward but resilient. If this hit, like, share it, comment. 2000 survived. And follow the next episode because the 2010s and the 80s are up next.